On site with Lee. He loves his PPE.
Okay then, welcome back to another episode of On Site with Lee. It's been a few days now since me and Andy were down on site on the Western Route doing the site survey. Time to go and check in with Andy, find out if he's managed to build this system. So come on into the KBI facility. So this is where the magic happens. Come on into the staging facility. Switches, cameras, everything. Andy!
Morning, Lee.
Hello,
How you been?
Oh, sorry mate, is that my cup of tea, is it?
Oh, well, it wasn't, but I guess you can have it.
You've been busy. Do you want to walk us through
Yeah,
it?
of course I will. This is where we build all the equipment before we put it out on site. That means we can test it, make sure it all works, make sure it all powers up, and also start integrating that into the dashboard. We've got our weather station here. It's sitting on the bench at the moment, so it's not on its brackets, and that's giving us humidity, temperature, rainfall, solar radiation, as well as wind speed, wind gusts and wind direction, and that'll be connected to the LoRaWAN. We've got a gateway there that's giving us 4G connectivity and 2 PoE switches. We're using 2, not for the connectivity, but for the making sure we have enough power for those cameras. 4 of the cameras are dome cameras and they'll be mounted on arms, and then we've got 1 bullet camera that will give us the reach down to the lagoon. And then 2 of the covert IR illuminators. They're covert in terms of they use 940 nanometers rather than the 850 nanometers, which means you can't see the red lights. We've then got the LoRaWAN gateway. This has given us our radio connectivity to the weather station we talked around, but also the other sensors we've got here. Here we've got 4 of the current sensors, which we're going to attach to the 4 pumps that'll detect whether the pumps are on or not. And then we've got our 8 level sensors. 6 of the level sensors are going to be used and attached to various locations in the lagoon and the stream and the wet wells and the pumping system. And then 2 of them potentially go on the cess, which gives us an idea of the ground level flooding against the railhead height. So that is the system that we're going to be installing in the next few days. And we'll now go back to Lee as we hopefully install it.
Right, dashboard's up and running, everything's pre-configured and tested. Let's get this all boxed up, get back to site. See you soon.